I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Kraken Glove in Slap Battles easy. Open Slap Battles and join a casual server, then check the shop rotation and spawn events. Save Robux or trade tokens for quicker access and position yourself near high spawn zones. Use bait strategies and team up to increase spawn probability, watching for game announcements and daily resets to retry efficiently. Practice timing spawns to learn patterns. First, get ready by equipping good loadouts and understanding spawn timers in Slap Battles. Keep an eye on shop rotations and event alerts to spot Kraken Glove availability. Save currency and trade smartly to prioritize the glove when it appears. Coordinate with friends to hold spawn zones and use bait to lure spawns. Be patient and track patterns across sessions to improve your odds over time. Practice quick grabs and platforming to secure drops. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy grinding for items, consider a book that reframes money habits, The Simple Path to Wealth, for clearer thinking. If you like this video, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals on the book and gear. This pick connects to smart resource decisions while grinding in Slap Battles. Now let's get back to the video. Avoid wasting currency on low odds pulls and don't chase myths about guaranteed spawns. If you miss a rotation, check daily resets and community channels for tips. Troubleshoot by relogging, switching servers, or verifying your inventory space to accept new items. Learn from failed attempts and refine your strategy steadily. Keep expectations realistic and celebrate small wins, since persistence and smart play always beat random luck in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.